Most people know that GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial. But did you know there's a way to get 30 days free instead? It's called the GoHighLevel Bootcamp. In this video, I'll show you what's included, who it's for, and whether I think it's worth it. Let's get started. What is GoHighLevel Bootcamp? The Bootcamp is a free program for new GoHighLevel users. Instead of getting only a free trial, you also get training and live coaching. And the best part? You get 30 days free instead of 14. What do you get? One thing I like about the Bootcamp is that you're not left alone to figure everything out. You can join live Zoom sessions where the GoHighLevel team helps you get set up. They'll show you how to use important features like SMS marketing, missed call text back, social media tools, review management, the mobile app. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're new to the platform. Are there any bonuses? Yes. The Bootcamp also includes some helpful resources, such as lead generation playbooks, ready-made snapshots, funnel templates, business growth resources. These can help you get started faster. Who is it for? I think the Bootcamp is a great option for freelancers, agency owners, local businesses, beginners who are new to GoHighLevel. If you're just starting out, the extra guidance can be really helpful. My honest opinion. Personally, I think the Bootcamp is a better choice than the standard 14-day trial. You get more time, live coaching, extra resources, and it doesn't cost anything extra. So if you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, I'd recommend starting with the Bootcamp. Final thoughts. If you want to get the GoHighLevel Bootcamp 30-day free trial, check the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.